Hey friends, welcome back to your channel JEE Physics once again. We are continuing our journey of discussion of the solution of paper 1 JEE Advanced 2026. So this is a question which came from the projectile motion. Again, it's a little tidy and lengthy question. You have to go through a lot of calculation as per the demand of the JEE Advanced. You know there is no easy cakewalk. So if you are watching for the question for the first time, I will again encourage you, please pause your screen, try on your own. If you get stuck, then only refer to the solution. Otherwise, there is no need to refer to the solution. Let us go through the question. A particle is thrown speed b. You can see it is projected from the ground. There is one point p is given, which is a height of 1 meter. 5 meter theta is not provided. So if you check the options, theta is 45 degree and theta equal to 30 degree and theta equal to tan inverse of 1 by 5. Three different values of theta are provided. I have to go through the option. So it's a cross-checking mechanism that you need to adopt. So I will go by the basic equation of projectile. Y is equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. Y here is given to be 1, x is given to be 5. If I take the first value of theta to be, so this I am checking after taking the value of theta is equal to 45 degree. So tan 45 degree is 1 minus 5 by r. So this is 1 by 5 is equal to 1 minus 5 by r. So basically it is coming 4 by 5, that is equal to 5 by r. So r is equal to, it is coming 25 by 4 meter. We know r is equal to, the formula is u square sine 2 theta divided by g. So we can write 25 by 4 is equal to u square sine 90 is 1 by g. So u square becomes 25g divided by 4. Hence u is coming 5 by 2 under root of g meter per second. Very flat track, very easy. We got, I think, option 1. So yes, option A is correct. Let us go for the other option verification. So next is what they are saying, that theta equal to 45 degree, particle reaches its maximum height before it reaches point P. So for that I need to calculate the maximum height. H maximum is equal to u square sine square theta divided by 2g. U square is 25g divided by 4. Sine square theta is sine square 45 degree, that means it will become 1 by 2 divided by 2g. G cancels out. Here it is coming 25 divided by 16 meter, which is greater than 1 meter. So this height is at 1 meter, so we can assume that yes, it will achieve before that only. If I draw the trajectory line, it will be appearing like this. So yes, option B is also correct. Let us go for option C now. Theta is equal to 30 degree, they are saying. So if theta is equal to 30 degree, particle reaches maximum height after reaching point P. So for that, theta equal to 30 degree, I need to verify. Now here the things becomes a little bit of lengthy. How? Let us check. So 1 is equal to, I am following the basic equation, this one is equal to 5 1 by root 3 into 1 minus 5 by r. So root 3 by 5 is equal to 1 minus 5 by r. So 5 by r becomes 1 minus root 3 by 5. So 5 by r becomes 5 minus root 3 by 5. So r becomes 25 by 5 minus root 3. Correct? Now we will go through the calculation. There will be a little bit calculation, not much. So if you look at this data, I am talking about this data, the r value. So r approximately comes 25 divided by 5 minus 1.7. So this becomes 25 divided by 3.3. So this is somewhere around, so approximately nearly equal to 8 meter. Now the point is, this is equal to what we know, u square sine 2 theta divided by g. We can follow this equation also. tan theta is equal to, we know, 4 into h divided by r. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 4 into h divided by 8, that is equal to 2. So h is coming to be 2 by root 3 meter. So if you look at this 2 by root 3 meter, then this value of h, which is equal to 2 by 1.732, is also greater than 1 meter. So that means for theta is equal to 30 degree also, if you follow the trajectory, it will be like this. That means somewhere here it will be the maximum height, it is h max, and somewhere here will be the point P. So that means point P comes after maximum height. So theta equal to 30 degree, the particle reaches maximum height after reaching point P. No, that is wrong. So this one is a wrong option. Now they are saying theta equal to tan inverse 1 by 5, V is equal to 125 root G. We will get it done. So they are saying for the option D, we are verifying. So from here you see, if you look at tan theta, which you have said to be 1 by 5, go back to the diagram. If you come back to the diagram, if you check here, if I take the diagram, then we will observe a very interesting thing over here. Check it. If you check the diagram, draw this straight line from here to here. So basically they are saying that this is the angle theta. So if tan theta is equal to 1 by 5, which is the 1 by 5, then motion under gravity says that if you project a particle in this direction, it will never reach point P, because the projectile motion will look like this. So if you project a particle in this particular direction at an angle of tan theta is equal to 1 by 5, the particle will never reach point P. So on that regard, by using common sense, option D is wrong. So I hope you have enjoyed the solution. If you have enjoyed, do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.